Okay, guys, let me jump into it. This contractor has maxed me out. I'm quitting. It's going to cost me some contract with the major guy that I do work for. One contractor, but you know what? I got to know your limits. All right, I'm running around with a few of his jobs, helping him with a few things. This job he has, this new contractor he's using, who's contracted with now, that he's over his head, doesn't know what he's doing. There was a load-bearing wall here. A temporary load-bearing wall was put next to it, temporary supporting wall. Before you removed either wall, there was either wall system, you'd have to brace the ceiling. As you can see, the ceiling joists are being held up by that wall I mentioned that was over here. Now it's just yeah, maxed out. Sorry guys, it's just the top plate there now. The top plate. Now over here, he didn't make this straight. So then what happens? He pushes, flexing the beam, flexing it to try to make this plumb, putting a shim, a block in there against a window frame. Now, if you look at it, you'll see this window frame is no longer plumb itself. It's being taken the load from trying to keep this flexed plumb. So it's pushing back. It's being resisted by the window frame here. It's just too much. It's just too much for me. This is what's out here. This is just ridiculous. All the bracing is not what I told him to do. You guys saw in the other video, this wasn't plumb. I had it plumb, but then I told him to make sure he ran a string line to make sure that he clipped this. We're nowhere near clipping it to be able to run to that wall there. So wherever it landed is where it landed. Didn't have to be there. It could be over. Wherever it landed, it would dictate itself. And it was just over a few inches, just over. So now again, he removed the load-bearing wall here. And now what do? You go back and try to level this and fix it and everything else. I was doing a video because I saw this yesterday, and I told him about, you remove the wall first instead of last. And I showed him how to make a boxed beam out of metal to be able to repair this. He didn't do it. In fact, he complained to the owner that I gave him too many directions. So too many directions. So I thought I'd give you guys a last hurrah in this video at this job, and to show that you got to know your limitations. You got to walk away. I've already texted the owner that that's it. Can't work with these guys. I quit. And that means quit in general across all his jobs, or not, or just this one. It's his choice. I'm not going to be extorted to stay on any one job. He wanted me to come here and help them again to get this right. I can't help them when they're doing stuff like this. This required them to unscrew all of this stuff. Unscrew it all. Take it all the hell down. Plumb the damn thing properly. Plumb it properly. And then put all your securing back into place. Not this staggered shit either. I am definitely maxed out on this. All right, ending video. Just wanted to give you an update, and you can use the conversation any way you can.